What if I told you the same company that built one of the most privacy-focused browsers in the world also built a VPN? Yes, the creators of Firefox. In a world where every click, every search, and every website visit is being tracked, privacy isn't optional anymore, it's survival. But here's the real question. Is Mozilla VPN actually secure? Is it fast? Is it worth your money? Or is it just another name cashing in on the VPN trend? Because let's be honest, the VPN market is crowded. We see big names promising military-grade encryption, zero logs, ultra-fast servers, and complete anonymity. But Mozilla is different. Mozilla has always positioned itself as a privacy-first company. No shady data selling, no aggressive tracking, no hidden agendas. So, when they launched Mozilla VPN, expectations were high. And today, we're going to test everything. We'll talk about security and encryption, speed, performance, streaming capabilities, real-world usability, pricing, and value for money. And whether you should actually trust it, I'll break down the pros, the cons, and the hidden details that most reviews don't talk about. So if you're thinking about getting Mozilla VPN or switching from another VPN, or you simply care about your online privacy, this video is going to help you decide. Let's dive deep into the Mozilla VPN review and find out if it's truly built different or just another average VPN.
So now the big question is, can you really trust Mozilla VPN with your data? Because today, privacy is not just about hiding your IP addresses. It's about protecting your identity, your location, your browsing history, and even your personal conversations. And when a company like Mozilla, the creators of your famous browser, Mozilla Firefox, launches a VPN service, expectations automatically becomes very high. Mozilla is also known for being privacy focused. They are a non-profit organization and their mission has always been to make the internet safer and more open for everyone. But does their VPN truly live up to that reputation? In this video, we are going to explore everything security, privacy, streaming features, pros and cons, and many more. And by the end, you will clearly know whether Mozilla VPN is worth your money or not. So let's begin. What is Mozilla VPN? Mozilla VPN is a virtual private network service created by Mozilla. It is built uses the trusted WireGuard protocol, which is known for being fast, secure, and modern compared to older protocols like OpenVPN. The main goal of Mozilla VPN is simple: protect your internet connection, hide your IP addresses, encrypt your online activity, stop tracking your advertisers and website. It works on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and you can use it on up to 5 devices with one subscription. So, in the terms of compatibility, it's cover almost all major platforms. Now let's talk about most important part, security. Mozilla VPN uses WireGuard protocol, AES 256 encryption, and strong privacy standard. WireGuard is currently one of the most trusted VPN protocols. It is lightweight, modern, and designed to deliver both speed and security. Mozilla also claims to have a strict no-log policy. This means they do not track your browsing history, your DNS request, your IP logs, and your connection timestamps. Another important thing, Mozilla VPN is powered by Mulvath Network. Mulvath is well-respected privacy-focused VPN provider known for strong transparency and security practices that add an extra layer of trust. Also, Mozilla being a non-profit organization reduces the risk of aggressive data selling practices compared to many commercial VPN brands. So, in the terms of privacy and security, Mozilla VPN perform very strong. Now, security is important, but what about speed? A VPN can be secure, but if it slow down your internet too much, it becomes frustrating. Because Mozilla VPN uses WireGuard, speed are generally very stable and fast. In most cases, user experience minimal speed drop, stable connections, fast server switching. low latency for browsing. However, one small limitation is very server located. Mozilla VPN has fewer server locations compared to big VPN giants like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. That means you may not always find a nearby server in every country. But for normal browsing, streaming, and even casual gaming, the speed is more than enough. Now let's talk about streaming. Can you use Mozilla VPN to watch Netflix or either streaming platform? The answer is yes, but with some limitation. Mozilla VPNs can work with popular brands like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, but it is not marketed as a streaming focused VPN. Sometimes certain servers may not bypass jurisdictions. If your main goal is privacy streaming across many countries, then there are better options in the market. However, for basic privacy while watching content, it works fine. One of the best thing about Mozilla VPS is its simplicity. The interface is clean, minimal, easy to understand, beginner friendly. You just open app, choose your location and click connect. There are no complicated settings, no confusing dashboard. Everything feels simple and modern. If you want someone who don't like technical complexity, you really like Mozilla VPN designs. Now let's talk about pricing because this is very important. Mozilla VPN pricing is simple. They usually offer monthly plan, 6-month plan, 12-month plan. The monthly plan is usually more expensive if you plan month to month. The year plan gives better value. On average, monthly plan costs higher per month. Long-term plan reduces the monthly cost significantly. However, compared to big VPN brands, Mozilla VPN is slightly more expensive considering it has fewer servers and fewer advanced features. But there is what you are paying for: brand trust, not profit company backing, strong privacy focus, WireGuard security, and simple interface. They also offer a 30-day money back guarantee in many regions, so if you're trying it and don't like it, you can request refund. That make it low risk to test, but if your priority is maximum features at lower cost may not be the best. But if your priority is trust and privacy from a well-known organization, pricing is makes sense. Now let's quickly summarize pros and cons. Pros: strong privacy reputation, WireGuard protocol, clean interface backed by Mozilla, no locks policy, and good speed performance. Cons: limited server locations, not best for heavy streaming, slightly expensive, fewer advanced features. So, is Mozilla VPN worth it? If you want a simple, trustworthy, privacy focused VPN backed by a respected organization, yes, it is a solid choice. It may not be the most powerful VPN in the market, it may not have thousands of servers, but it does what it promises. Protection your privacy in a simple and clean way, and sometimes simplicity is better than complexity. At the end of the day, the right VPN depends on your need. If privacy and trust matter more than flashy features, Mozilla VPN is definitely worth considering.